In the first quarter of 2025, the cryptocurrency markets are preparing for a huge surge. I've got you covered. Without further ado, let's get started. At $95,961, Bitcoin has lost 1.2% during the last day. With a current price of $3,341, Ethereum is down 1.07%. Yes, friend, it's still holding strong. Both USDT and USDC are trading at their dollar pegs as XRP. At $2.20, it's still above $2 and showing some life on the hourly, which is not too horrible, but it's down 2.59% over the last 24 hours. The market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies is $3,316 million. Now, as everyone is beginning to predict, Q1 will be a fantastic time for cryptocurrency in general. We will witness a significant rally in the markets, not just in Bitcoin or altcoins. We are aware that Gary Gensler will not be in office on the 20th, and that Trump will formally take office on that date. President Trump made a wise decision when he announced the appointment of a crypto czar who is very pro-crypto. Now let's move on to the Bitcoin chart. What do we see? As we mentioned earlier, the range is something you should not tamper with, just like clockwork. Let me browse up to the $100,000 range, 90K up. The resistance is increasing. This extremely narrow range on Bitcoin is true. Market makers have been instructed to keep Bitcoin inside a very narrow range because they are aware that once it breaks out and rises above the $115,000 level, it will soar. The bull run will formally start at that point, and $150,000 to $225,000 will arrive very quickly. What are we looking at, though, in the short time frame? It's easy. There is 96,000 resistance to the top side of it. In the event of a breakdown, we have a nice support area of about 93. Even below that, there is support in the $90,000 area. I think that Bitcoin will never break $92,500 since there is a lot of demand around $92,100 as well, and then it will be around $90,000. I made the prediction, telling you that I don't think Bitcoin will surpass $90,000. You can see the enormous range we are in, simply cutting away at it, if we zoom out on this. It is important to take this range extremely seriously. This is being withheld on purpose and for a reason, so that folks knew what to anticipate and what was coming. The first area of interest is $217,000. If that didn't hold, we had another support at $2.14, and if we could scroll down here, we had another support at about $1.97. According to this, it is $1.964 and $1.97. For XRP, that is what we are considering. Could we make one final trip back to that area? I'm not concerned about it, but we could. It's nothing to worry about. Here, we should be concerned about the increasing resistance we encounter. There will be a lot of resistance in the $2.30 level after $2.23 is broken, but $2.50 will be a good jump to get above. After $2.50 is broken, we may begin aiming for the $2.70 range, which is crucial and a thorn in the side that XRP has repeatedly failed to break. It is going to be broken, which will allow XRP to surge to $3 per share. The next significant milestone is that our target price for XRP is between $3 and $4. Gordon is like, for XRP, we got a big move. By January 4th, he plans to call it. Do we believe him, after all? Is he correct? I just can't get into something when you put a date on it, you know. In Q1, I saw it coming. If that could happen by January 4th, that would be fantastic. That's by next Saturday, let's be honest. He anticipates a huge surge in XRP. The person who shorted XRP, or says he did, at $2.72 back down to $2 is Gordon, as you are aware. He now asserts that he took a long position in it and that XRP is poised to surge and surpass $3. I am available for it. Since 2017, I've been prepared for this. I'm prepared for XRP to rise above $5. I'm prepared for XRP to surpass $10. I wish it would all just happen, as I mentioned earlier. I'm hoping for a wild run in Q1. Raise this thing above the $5 mark. Purchase it for $5 to $10. I would be overjoyed. We have to crash back down after this whole thing chops along and goes up, erasing everything we just done with the retrace. Then we try to chop back up, but it chops back down. I'm over it. He must be tired of it too. Look, when XRP was trading between 50 cents and 60 cents for a while, it was really easy to hold. It was simple. It becomes challenging to retain when XRP is rising and fluctuates between $2.70 and $1.96 before rising back to $2.70. Because so much money is being lost, it causes mental and emotional turmoil. As I mentioned earlier, XRP's movement changed significantly as it surpassed $1. We are not simply increasing by 1 cent or half a cent each day. We're beginning to pick up speed. This occurs quickly, 10 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents. If this trend continues, the price of XRP will reach $10 in just 3 months. I'd be thrilled to see it. Go ahead and do it. I say that. What are we doing here, XRP $10? Let's go crazy. It claims that throughout the last day, the price of XRP has maintained its sharp decline and is now trading above $2.20. The potential for the price of XRP to hit new highs sooner rather than later, however, continues to worry analysts, with some predicting that it will hit the 2-digit threshold of $10 and higher. Remarkably, crypto analyst CryptoSunk recently expressed his opinions on social media regarding a possible path for XRP. Here, he notes that price behavior from 2017 indicated that XRP was already halfway to reproducing its 460% price breakthrough from its early October range of 50 cents. The analyst anticipates that XRP will break out above $10 in the first quarter of 2025 if things continue to unfold this way. But CryptoSunk's forecasts for Q1 go beyond this initial $10 goal. The expert predicts what he calls a moon boy blow-off top if the price of XRP keeps moving in the same way beyond the first quarter. By the third or fourth quarter of 2025, XRP might reach $35 due to this phase, which is marked by a more significant parabolic price spike. Look here, we discussed the parabolic blow-off top. We discussed its arrival in late summer or early autumn. He has, and as you can see, several analysts have shifted their bull run projections to 2025 due to this minor downturn we are currently experiencing. Many believed that Bitcoin would have taken off by now. It didn't. Early in 2025, they anticipate blasting off, extending the bull run until the year's end. We know this. For cryptocurrencies in general, Bitcoin, altcoins, etc., Q1 is expected to be extremely amazing. The correction is then anticipated around tax season. It's rather common for folks to be making money during tax season. Later in Q1, blow-off peaks are anticipated. I currently have them at the end of summer and the start of October. Let it be Q4 if that's the case. The most crucial lesson to learn from this is that blow-off tops are imminent. We know that. We are aware that XRP will experience parabolic blow-off tops. I'll take $35. Look, I will be selling half of my holdings if XRP takes off and has a wild run above $10 in Q1. To see where the blow-off top takes us in 2025, I will then hang on to the remainder of my XRP. You're probably asking yourself, Rip, why would you do that? I've been here since 2017, you see. Since 2017, I haven't locked in a single cryptocurrency profit. All I've been doing is piling up. I own more than 22 cryptocurrencies. 22. I have enough space to make money. I won't have to worry about price movements if I can lock in earnings and give myself a sense of stability. This will improve my mental health. I still have half of my bag remaining, which I can sell to lock in further earnings if XRP does blow off, $20, $30, or $40. There is nothing at all wrong with making money. Everybody is at risk. Everybody has a specific quantity of XRP and is searching for specific figures. Everybody will have a distinct number. I am very open on this channel, as you are aware. Throughout our voyage, I keep you informed at every turn. In the unlikely event that XRP hits $10 in the first quarter of 2025,